Everybody wants to sell on Instagram without running adverts. Guess what? Your girl cracked the code. Clap for me! Clap for me. Recently, we started selling more consistently on Instagram for free and without running adverts. Backstory. I was checking through Google looking for something, and I saw that they were bringing out a lot of Instagram posts. They were ranking up. I'm like, okay, Google, hold up, this new. So I went to make research about it, and I saw that if you actually optimize your Instagram posts, when people search for what you are selling on Google, it could actually show your Instagram post to your target audience. I say, I love it. I went into research mode. I explained this to my assistant. Let's do this. When we want to make a post, make it lengthy. What are people looking for about this product? I sell this bracelet. If I want to sell this bracelet, instead of saying women bracelet, send a DM to order. Stop playing, my guy. You don't say that. What are people searching for? Gold bracelet, gold women bracelet. Maybe some people want to use it as a gift. Women bracelet for gifts. Gold bracelet in Lagos. You get. So we started putting in very detailed caption of our product. Few days later, the first client came. See proof. This person said, I searched for you on Google. Google brought your Instagram page. I will show you screenshots. This person bought and made payment. It's not audio. Hold up. Secondly, another person came. Before we get to the second person, let me proceed. Now, I'm going to show you samples of some of the descriptions that we use. We make it as detailed as possible. Very detailed. You have to make it search engine optimized. And this is you using one stone to kill 3 birds. Ask me why. Thank you. When people search for you on Instagram, this actually works on Instagram. When your product is well optimized, when people search for what you sell on Instagram, you rank up. Not hashtag. There's this top, I can't remember, but there's a place where immediately you put in what you are looking for, it brings product or videos with that caption. First. Secondly, when people search on Google, you rank again. And thirdly, and the most juicy. Let me use juicy. Can you be my the most juicy one I love is Facebook. Our Instagram is connected to our Facebook. So as we are posting on Instagram, it's going to Facebook. We are also optimizing on Facebook. Guess what? Somebody was looking for one of our products. She was looking for wallets. She went to search on Facebook. Guess who she saw? The collections. And she came, she bought the wallet. And we asked her. So I told my assistant when they started working, start asking people. Because we are running adverts on TikTok. So let's know. Are they from the TikTok adverts we are running? Are they from Instagram? Oh, have they been following us before? They just want to buy now. Where exactly did they see us? So we can, track what we are doing if it's working. So she started asking, She asked someone, the person was like, oh, someone that has patronized you before referred me. That's why, but we removed that one from the list. And we started getting people that said they search from search and all that. So beautiful. It's a beauty to behold. I say, let me come and gist my community people on YouTube now. Even when people start making money, you people will shut your mouth. You cannot come to my DM and say, let me pay tithes. Don't thank you money. You won't come to my YouTube to press super sticker for me or join my membership and say, let me support the ministry with $10, $5. God will reward me bountifully. Moving on. So you have to sit down and make research about all of your products. What are people searching regarding it? Then describe your product. Put yourself in the shoe of your customer. If you are the customer and you want to buy something, what do you look for? If you are a customer, you want to buy, let me use a wristwatch for instance. I sell wristwatch for personal use and as gift. If I want to buy a wristwatch, I would be more detailed in my wristwatch. If it's silver wristwatch, I want to put silver wristwatch. If it's gold wristwatch, I want to put gold. I have to be specific. If I'm looking for a rose gold female watch, I'll put rose gold. So all those details, you put it, you load it in your description. Make sure it's anything they will search for, put it in your description. This is not the time to say DM to order. Stop playing. They play my fans. DM to order. No one is gonna see you on search. So make sure you are well detailed. Secondly is make sure your Instagram is linked to your Facebook so that as you are posting on Instagram or Miami, they are seeing you on Facebook. I've not done anything on that Facebook. And I think that search is really working for me on Facebook. We started that thing a week ago. Yeah, a week ago. In the past 1 week, we've had people reach out to us from Facebook. We've had 6 new followers. That 6 new followers is a big deal for me. I'll tell you why. So that Facebook, we don't do anything to push it. All these things that they do on Instagram, do strategic commenting, do this, do that, we do nothing. The reason why I created that Facebook page is to run adverts to my Instagram, because you need Facebook page to run adverts and all that setup. So I just post it, dump it. Please like this video, as it shows the algorithm this is a very good content, and push it out to more people like you that needs to see this content. Also, if you like to learn how to run TikTok adverts that performed and give you good results, send me a DM on Instagram, Roslyn. It costs 25,000 naira at a discounted price. Normal price is 35,000 naira, and you will learn how you can sell back to back on TikTok. You're welcome. We've seen people dropping comments on our post on Facebook, oh, I want this, or where's your location, which does not happen before. If you ask me how I sell on Facebook, I'll tell you, me, I'm an Instagram and TikTok girly. That's why I sell. Facebook, I know nothing about it. But with this new strategy, the story is changing, and I'm even surprised because they said our Facebook people, they used to ask for pay on delivery, they will stress you. These people are just, they're just soft people, and I think I love it. So if for anything, even not for anything, I love the fact that it's giving us, we're even having more views on Facebook. For a page with just maybe 15 followers, having 200 views is something. If I'm having times 5 of my following on Instagram, I go down blow. Right? And in fact, in the heat of all this, Facebook sent me a notification that I can now start monetizing my Facebook reels. I say, Zilla. But the challenge I'm having with that, let me to put my problem out there, maybe someone could help me. It's me that used to come and help you people. My main Facebook account, personal account that I used in running adverts before, they suddenly sent me a mail that account cannot run adverts. I can't use it to run adverts, and I was stranded. So I had to go meet a friend. She's like my sister because we are quite close. Her name is Toyin. So she gave me her Facebook login, and that is why I used in creating this new page I'm using to run ads. So when they sent me a message that, oh, I cannot monetize my content, the page is under Toyin's profile, Toyin my friend. So it just got me confused. What do you think I can do regarding this? Because maybe it's like my friend that needs to do the setup, or should I start doing it? Then she's not going to send me a document, because I know at the point they might request for documents. Let me know if you can help me, Sha. So back to my gist. In the heat of all this, they sent me the mail that, oh, you are not monetized on Facebook. I say I'll tell my YouTube people this. You people should press me super sticker, press me money in this video. I did to try for now. Join my membership before I change it for you. Okay. The third is hashtag. Make the best use of your hashtag if you want to sell for free on Instagram or even on any platform. Someone sent us a message, I think it was on a Sunday. We just closed from church. I saw this message. I answered it. In 5 minutes, this lady made payments. And I asked her, how did you see us? She said she searched for gifts for girlfriends, which was that a friend was having a celebration and she wanted to get a gift for her girlfriend. So she came to Instagram, searched for gift for girlfriend hashtag, and we had used that hashtag a couple times. So you brought out our page, and she just scanned it as spirit like, Jesus. Who is not a scammer? And of course, I'm not a scammer. Holy Spirit told her, go with this my daughter. The Holy Spirit told her, go with this my daughter. She is choosing. So she came, made payments. In fact, she came to pick up, and we sealed the deal. Through which platform? That's through hashtag. So leverage on your hashtag. What are people looking for? Put location hashtag, event hashtag. If you sell clutch, where people carry clutch to? Party hashtag, party clutches in Lagos. That is a location and an event hashtag. What purpose are they using it for? To party, right? So you can use party clutches in Lagos, women clutches. These are what people are searching for, so that adverts are expensive, and one of the things that can help us as business owners is also leveraging on the free tool that is available. As much as I am to run adverts, I run advert too. Don't play. You see all those free stuff too. From this free stuff, you make 100k from this, you make 50k from this, you make $10 from this, you make $50 from it. When it adds up, it's going to make sense. It can even help you cross your sales goal. So don't joke with that. Please like this video if you got value. I know you got value. Like it, drop a comment, share, and tell me thank you, Deborah, in the comment section. Be opening your mouth to say thank you. You just come watch my video, run away. No thank you. Don't appreciate me. Nothing. I'll block you from watching my video. Thank me, my friend. Thank me. If you like to learn how to run adverts, as you are doing the organic one, you are doing the adverts one. And this is the playlist on how to run TikTok adverts. Just click, watch, and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one. I love you so much. Bye bye.